Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the best DITO APN settings for 4G and 5G networks. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. So don't forget to like the tutorial. So first step, you're going to open your phone in settings, and then you're going to go to connections, and then in connection choose mobile networks, and then access point names. So the first step, you're going to come and press those three dots in the top right corner, and then tap reset to default. Confirm to reset to default, and then after press the plus button, and then after pressing the plus button, you're going to put in the APN name. So you're going to use DITO 5G speeds, and then check OK, and then the APN we're going to use 5G.ditto.net, then check OK, and then the proxy you're going to use 10.12.0.0.20, and then check OK. The port you're going to use 8080. The username, don't set it. The password, don't set it. Now let us set the server. Now the server you're going to use www.ditto.com/server4.operamini.com. Then check OK. Now the MMS, don't set it. The MMS proxy, here you're going to put 1.1.1.1, and then the port you're going to use 443. The MNC you're going to use 553, and the MNC you're going to use 05. Authentication type you're going to use PAP. APN type you're going to use default, and then comma photo comma SUPL, then check OK. Now the APN protocol, choose IPv4, IPv6. The APN roaming protocol, the same. The bearer you're going to use LTE. We're going to select that, this one, and that, and that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials.